Hi, I'm Maurizio from Touchless Automation, and I'm here to present you our innovative contactless industrial machine. The one I'm talking today about is Levio, which is our first contactless manipulation and inspection machine designed for the photonics market. Let's talk a little about Touchless Automation. We are a company based in Switzerland, and we were born within the watchmaking valley, which is we are a high-tech company based in Switzerland, and we are the pioneers in contactless micro handling. We are leveraging, in fact, all the expertise of the developing the centuries of the Swiss watchmaking microfabrication techniques, together with some of the most advanced physical and technological phenomena, which led to the development of our innovative contactless manipulation technique. What is our goal? Our goal is to actually achieve the best quality in component processing ever achieved. The fact that we are contactless, the fact that we are not touching the component is our key strength. We are the only one that can actually pick up components from adhesive tape, from gel pack, from wafer pack, and transfer and inspect them doing that. The possibility of the contactless die ejection is actually really something which is revolutionary in our field. Never touching the component while still doing processing and inspection is something that we are the only one that can do. This is our, let's say, top-notch machine. The machine you are seeing here in the picture is a machine developed to specifically process laser diodes. We pick up the laser diode from the adhesive tape, we inspect the top side, the bottom side, the two facets, and then we deposit them into gel bags. Let's go a little bit into how our technology works, which might be the question you all have at this moment. Our technology uses a combination of two physics phenomena, vacuum and vibration. The vacuum suction inside of the gripper tip allows the component to raise, to be picked up. At the same time, the tip is vibrating, and this vibration creates a small hair cushion between the tip of the tool and the component itself. What does it mean? It means, as you see in the picture, that the component is never touched, but at the same time is gripped and held in a very stable levitation phenomenon. And you can see here a video of the phenomenon in action. The centering phenomenon also centered the piece, and you can see the component is now gripped with an air gap in between the tip and the component itself. And this is let's say a marketing video, so there's a bit more gap than usual, but we can really control this phenomenon in a very good way and decrease a lot of the vibration that you are seeing there. Which are the applications? You can name it. There's many multiple applications that we are actually targeting on the market, from pixel, micro LEDs, and image sensors. Our technology is very flexible. It's not dependent on the material itself. It's dependent just on the shape. We can do flat, convex, or concave shapes from sizes from 0.5 millimeter up to 12 millimeters. The machine itself is able to detect automatically defects, scratches, or dirt. All of these, repeat, we're never touching the part. And the fact that we are not touching is, first of all, important because we don't create defects, but also because we don't create other particles, because there is no friction, no creation of dust. And with respect to the small, let's say, rubber grippers, we don't leave any stains on the surface. This is a bit in-depth definition of what are the inspections we are doing on the facets of the laser diodes. As I was mentioning, we have multiple inspection systems. For instance, the top and bottom side, we just need to check for defects which are about 10 microns big. So that's actually, it requires a particular system. While for the facets, we go into sub-micrometric defect recognition. And so that's why we need to use another system. Of course, the machine comes with our automatic component recognition and OCR function, which are top state-of-the-art technologies. One thing which is very important is that our process is customizable. We are a small company, but the good part about that is that we are really focused on what the customer wants. We don't have one machine that we try to replicate in thousands, but we have really a very deep focus on the needs of the process. And that's why we have lots of variables to play with when we are developing a machine. And I'm happy to have given you this presentation, and we are really looking forward to know more about your potential application and to discuss how context manipulation could really make your production leap to new levels. Thank you.